Idealized Lifestyle with Sadhna. First of all, I would like to thank you all for the lots of love and support to my previous videos, and so that it will give encouragement to do more in my upcoming videos. So thank you once again. And coming to today's topic, it's all about the some brilliant beauty tips for your face to get that perfect glowing skin that you ever wanted. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Coming to tip number 1, you are what you eat. In the sense, whatever you are having daily basis, it will affect on your skin and your body. So keep note on your plate, whatever you are having on daily basis, as well as have some fruit, have some fresh fruits, sufficient amount of vitamins and proteins, so it will keep the balance of your health. And don't have a spicy food or a fermented food or the salty food. It will affect on your skin, because so many people having a sensitive skin, so it will affect directly on their faces. So this is about tip number 1. Keep note on whatever you are having, that should be a healthy. Coming to tip number 2, sun and your skin. It is a very main thing we can say. So many people having problem with the sun when they will go out of their homes for their work or whatever it is, but they will face so many problems due to sun rays. Do apply sunscreen every day. It may be a cloudy day or it may be a sunny day, whatever it is, do apply the sunscreen on regular basis, and that sunscreen should be at least 15 SPF, so it will protect you from the UVA rays on daily basis. Especially for the sensitive skin people, you have to apply this every day. It may be a cloudy or it may be a sunny, you have to apply this every day, and that should be a 15 SPF, at least 15 SPF. So because this sun rays will affect your skin very badly, it will give you redishness on your face, or it will give you pimples problem as well, it will give you dark circles as well. So to protect from all this problem, you have this solution. So this is about the second tip. Coming to tip number 3, do exercise, sweat it out. Do exercise regularly. It may be a jogging, running, yoga, whatever it is, but after doing the exercise, inner beauty you will feel, and you will get a glowing skin due to this, because the entire busy day, after the entire busy day, you will get one relaxing time. So just for yourself, your body, you have to get 30 minutes of the day. You have to sit for 30 minutes, and you have to do either yoga, exercise, or else you can go for a jogging. That would be sufficient if you don't like to do any hard work, going to gym and all. So do just walk for 30 minutes and you will get that sweat, and just sweat it out. You will get that glowing skin because of this exercise. So my rule number 3 is that only, sweat it out. Whatever you wanna do, you do. Coming to tip number 4, it is beauty sleep. Coming to beauty sleep, the secret between the beauty and the sleep is very important, because if you will not sleep properly, it will directly affect on your skin and it will show a bad effects. Because if you're not giving a relaxing time to your body, then it will give you in return in the form of pimples, in the form of dark circles, in the form of your health, whatever it is, it will give you in return. So make sure you will take care of your body. You will give a proper relaxing time to your body, so that it will give you good to your skin, it will give you a glowing skin after completing your sleep. So make sure you will complete your sleep at least for 8 hours. 8 hours sleep is mandatory for every person to get that healthy lifestyle and healthy glowing skin. So my tip number 4 is that only, your beauty sleep connection is very important. Coming to tip number 5, goodbye acne. So how to say goodbye to acne is, do wash your face 3 times in a day with a warm water in a circular motion. Do wash your face with warm water in a circular motion 3 times in a day to reduce these acne problems and to say goodbye to the acne. So here one thing I would like to tell you all is, don't pop the pimples, because if you do that means it will give us swelling or reddishness, or otherwise it will give you a scariness. So don't do that. Don't pop your pimples. It will give you very bad effect, and it will again cause so many pimples. So don't do that. The main reason of this acne will cause from your sleep as well. If you're not taking your sleep properly means it will give you this acne problem as well as your dark circle problem. So complete your sleep at least for 8 hours, then no need to worry about the acne, and do wash your face 3 times in a day with a warm water in circular motion. So this is about tip number 5. Coming to the last tip but not the least is the golden tip of the day is, so many girls, like बहुत सारी लड़कियाँ मेकअप करती है. It may be for college, it may be for office, they will do makeup, but वो मेकअप अच्छे से रिमूव नहीं करती है. जैसे कि while going to bed they will not remove this makeup. So proper makeup removing is the main part of your skin glowing. So how it actually works, if you will not wash your face properly, if you will not clean your makeup properly, then it will affect on your skin, and it will give you in return in the form of acne and acne, reddishness and the dark circles. So keep note on this. You have to remove your makeup in proper way, and you have to remove your makeup before going to bed. The main reason behind this tip is, if you haven't removed your makeup before going to bed, means that makeup will prevent the breathing of the skin. Like our skin will need breathing overnight. The skin will need breathing overnight. So makeup will prevent that breathing, and it will affect on your skin. So make sure you will remove your makeup before going to bed, and that too in a proper way. So this is it for today. I hope you like this video. So do like, do subscribe, and press the bell icon to get the every notification of my videos. And do let me know if you're having any different ideas for my upcoming videos. Coming to today's topic, I hope you loved it, and I hope this tips will help you out for your glowing skin, whatever you wanted till now. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos, and keep supporting, keep loving, and thank you for now.